using MTN, you can go to Play Store and search MTN app. This is it. Once you install the application inside your mobile phone, then you go to it, put your phone number, as usual. So you will find how to put your names here. If you scroll, you'll find it. You can see we have the fast and easier way to submit your name, NIN. Then you click on it. So guys, once the page is open, this is what you will see. Here you type your name. So once you type your name here, put your last name, middle name, and the phone number, your phone number, and NIN number, which is 11-digit code. You type it here. You put your email address. You submit it. Very, very easy. Very easy. Trust me, guys. Your Play Store or App Store, you can see my Airtel app. Then you download it. Once you're done downloading, then you come. So once you go into your mobile app, put your phone number. This is what it will show you. You can see my profile. So you scroll down, you can see it here. You click on it, and then you put your name number here. So I'm putting mine right now. So I put my own. Then you accept the terms and conditions. Then you go on proceed. You see, your name has been successfully submitted. Value customer. This submission is slowly for name collection, as the validation of the submission name will be done by me. In the event that your information cannot be validated, you may be required to visit our showroom for verification experience. Thank you. Then you click on done. You're good to go. You are done with this step, man.